Exhaust come again. And the guy's done he actually makes these himself apparently, and he's done a trick. Where is it? On one of the ends. Yeah, where he's modded it so it just slots on, which is cool. So I've got my 3 sections here, which are going to go on there. So I'm okay with that end, but my problem, because I've got bolts that can actually put it there, but my problem is this, oh damn it, is this end, because we've got some, I think they're 12 points. Yeah, right on. Got some 12 pointers on there or something like that, so I might have to Google that lot, or maybe just replace them with something. They're just 3 bolts, aren't they? Yeah, so I could just I can put a couple of bolts on there, I think it'll be alright. Unless these are actually welded on. Or I could just put whatever they are in equivalent bolt.